Markham's proven experience providing hydrogel solutions for waterproofing and protection of more than 10 million square meters of concrete means you can be sure. We are excited to introduce a hybrid hydrogel admixture that provides superior internal and subsurface concrete waterproofing. CONQOR B52 is the world's first hybrid hydrogel, a two-part additive that reacts together once mixed in the concrete to transform moisture in the porosity into a hydrogel. We have tested CONQOR B52 to ensure it performs in the most demanding environments. Independent testing proves that CONQOR B52 complies with AS1478, meaning it will only enhance your concrete. Plus, B52 passes AS1012 VPV, proving permeability reduction. CONQOR B52 waterproofs concrete structures, exposed or submerged, above or below ground. Let's take a closer look. Inside the CONQOR B52 concrete, the hydrophilic hybrid hydrogel properties stop moisture from moving through the concrete porosity, ensuring the concrete is completely waterproof internally and subsurface, offering complete surety for concrete waterproofing in infrastructure, marine environments, basements, below-grade piles and foundations. CONQOR B52 is the answer. It provides internal corrosion resistance and enhanced durability to extend the life of concrete structures. With more than 20 years' experience working with hydrogels, our team knows what works where and what doesn't, so you can be sure. CONQOR B52, the world's first hybrid hydrogel for superior concrete waterproofing.